guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, we are going to be interviewing Strut King, aka Bunkey Jr. The strut is basically this dance that went viral last year and that NFL players have been recently doing, and it's gone viral on TikTok, Instagram, and still is very popular today. So, let's go right into the video. Here guys, we have the man himself, Bunkey Jr., the king of the strut dance. And actually, what inspired you to do the strut dance? And when did you actually start dancing?
So I've been dancing since I was a kid, probably like around your age or way before your age. That's all I used to do. Like I did it for fun. Like that was my passion. And it was therapeutic for me. Like whenever I be mad or anything, I go out and I have fun, enjoy myself, and I just dance. So that was the one dance that I always did. And I used to go to like kiddie discos and stuff and win all the trophies all the time and win first place all the time. And it just kept going and going. And I just stuck with it. And like people like to have fun. People love it. So like it made me just keep going. So that's how I became the Strut King, and here I am today talking to you. That's all.
So now that we know more of you, welcome to the show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And well, first of all, did you make the strut? Did you make that
Yes.
dance?
So the Parkite Strut was made many, many years ago. The version I'm doing is the version I made. What everybody doing around the world is what I made. The Parkite Strut is just a little two-step thing.
Okay.
So what I made today, that's what everybody else doing around the world.
You called it two-step strut?
No, I call it the Bunkey Jr. Strut.
Oh, okay.
But since I'm from Parkite, that's where I'm from. So they still added Parkite Strut to it because I'm from Parkite.
All right.
But I call it the Bunkey Jr. Strut. The Parkite Strut is just a regular little step. That's a regular little two-step. Bunkey Jr. Strut, you gotta slide with it. You gotta spin around. You gotta step back. You gotta break it down. You gotta leg up. That's the Bunkey Jr. Strut, and that's what the world doing today.
I mean, like you said, a lot of people in the world are doing your dance. I mean, everyone who's doing the strut dance is doing the Bunkey Jr. Strut. So, are you surprised that it went this famous and this viral? But you can see it all over internet. Even NFL Baltimore players, the Raven football players, they do this strut dance. So, were you expecting this?
I mean, I was kind of expecting it. Then I say I was kind of not expecting for it to go as viral as it did, because when I was doing it, I used to still get booked for like events and everything because everybody used to do it all the time, and I had everybody do it. I used to get phone calls and DMs on Instagram, and people used to hit me and say, "Listen, you make my day. You cannot stop doing this dance. You cannot stop."
You were getting paid to do it?
Yes, I was getting paid.
Were you getting invited to parties?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So you were this icon of dancing at the time. I mean, you still are.
Right.
And
then so happened the world just got attracted to it, and everybody just started doing it once it went viral on TikTok and Instagram. Like everybody started doing, celebrities. That's why I got a call from P. Diddy. Of course, everybody looked like he's a bad guy right now, what he's going through. But he's a big guy in the world. Everybody know who Puff Daddy is.
And what is the link between your dance, the strut, the Bunkey Jr. strut,
Mm-hmm.
and well, black culture and the city, and the inner city of Baltimore? Is there a link?
No, it's not a link because the Bunkey Jr. strut, that's just me. The Park Heights strut is something totally different. That's what I be trying to put out in the universe so people can know the difference between the Bunkey Jr. strut and the Park Heights strut. And I accept it because that's where I was born and raised, Park Heights. So I just keep it going because I want everybody to know my city and where I'm from, and we got great things going on here.
So there was someone else who made the Park High strut,
Yeah, the Park Heights strut been going on for years.
and you are from Park Heights,
I'm from
and you
Park
did
Heights.
the dance, and you made your own version of the dance, which
Right.
is now even more viral.
Right.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
So, like you were saying, your dance. I mean, you were dancing the strut dance, and you were dancing since you were small. I mean, since you were young, like
Mm-hmm.
when you were a teenager. So, what advice would you give to other people who want to relieve their stress and who want to be more free and who are maybe even stuck? Would you recommend them to get into dancing?
Yes, I say dancing helped me out a lot. Dancing helped me out a very lot. Anytime I was going through things, whatever, I used to just black out and go out and go to a party, anything. I used to just dance, and just like it's a song name here that we have, it's called Dance Your Pain Away. Dance my pain away. I got problems. So that's what I always used to think about, dancing my pain away. Whatever I'm going through, I just dance in a way and start over again and go at it again. Whatever I'm going through, I'm having a bad day, I just go out and dance and party and have fun. And for the youth, I would tell them like to never stop and believe in anything. Anything could happen. Never stop being yourself. You don't have to follow anybody. If you believe in that, you go get it. If you believe in it, you go get it.
That's
You
a pretty
go
powerful
get it.
message.
Most definitely,
So-
because it never stop.
Mhm.
You
So-
gotta stay consistent, stay dedicated. If that's what you love and that's what you want to do, you go get it. You never stop going.
Yes,
Just
sir.
like you doing what you doing right now, you never stop. Keep going. Never get discouraged. Even if you feel like it's not working. Somebody notice you. As long as you keep going, somebody will notice how hard you're working and how bad you want it. So I want you to keep going and never stop. You keep going. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different.
Wow. Okay, well, a pretty powerful message. One quick thing. I mean, of course, welcome to family. Thank you for this amazing interview.
Mm-hmm.
Now is it possible that you show us actually, now that we learned much more about you and now that we heard so much
Yeah.
good about you, can you show us actual strut dance, the Bunkey Jr. dance?
Oh yeah, we gonna get busy. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
And we got this mug here. I want to make sure y'all check this out. Ettan Ehsan. Did I get that right?
Exactly.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, we say more
So-
Ettan Ehsan,
Mhm.
Ettan Ehsan, but that
Ettan
works.
Ehsan.
Mhm.
Okay. And that's his world famous mugs right here. So make sure y'all check this
we give
out.
it to everyone, every interview.
So I'm gonna have these. I'm gonna get them to try to send me some of these so I can have the whole Baltimore with Ettan Ehsan mugs. When you drink your coffee and tea in the morning, make sure you got one of these. Bunkey Jr., the Strut King. Let's get busy. We ready to strut. We ready to give a little lesson. And we ready to get busy. Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's go.
So now I'm gonna teach you. So when we start, I start with my left leg, alright? I start with my left foot first. So it's heel, toe, slide. Yeah. Right there, right foot in, toe, slide. Right. Heel, toe, slide. Heel, toe, slide. Right. Heel, toe, slide. Heel, toe, slide. Then you speed it up and you just go. Right. Speed it up. I do this and I count to 8. So I'll be like 1. Come on, we're gonna start over with the left leg. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we spin. We spin on 8. We spin on 8. Yep. And then we back it up. Boom. 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 Then we break it down. Down. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Down leg up. Then we go back into it. You step back into it. You step back into it. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. 8. On 8 we spinning. So look, I'm gonna show you how I do it so you can get what it looks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, 8, spin, back it up, bring it down. Sometimes I want to take a little so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, back it up. Bring it down. Bring it down. Leg it up. Now let's throw it over. So remember on 8, you spinning on 8. On 8. So start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up. Bring it down. Bring it down. There you go. You back at it. 7, 8. That's the hard part right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Back in it. 8. We spin on 8. Bring it down. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up. Bring it down. Bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. There we go. Yep. Good. Let me see if there's things to go. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up. Back it up. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. There you go. Five, 6, 7, 8. That's the Bunkey Jr strut, yeah. That's good. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.